PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania prioritizes quality workmanship, exceptional customer service, and timely completion of projects, and a trusted name in commercial HVAC installation. We are a team of qualified and certified HVAC professionals with years of expertise offering dependable and efficient HVAC installation services to businesses and commercial buildings in Bryn Mawr. Call our commercial HVAC installation today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC installation near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What are the benefits of installing a commercial HVAC system? Installing a commercial HVAC system can improve indoor air quality, increase energy efficiency, reduce operating costs, and provide a comfortable and productive work environment. What are some common installation issues? Common installation concerns include incorrectly sized equipment, inadequate ducting design or installation, insufficient insulation, and faulty electrical or plumbing connections. What is your service area for the Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial HVAC installation services have served Bryn Mawr, Rosemont, Ardmore, Penn Valley, Gladwin, West Conshohocken, Narberth, Haverford, Wynwood, Roseglen, Ardmore, Villanova, King of Prussia, Lower Merion Township, Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC installation service office located? We are located at 850 West Lancaster Avenue, Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania 19010. Our phone number is 610-424-6452. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Lancaster-Eve-Bryn-Mawr-HVAC-service.